Pisa, Habaki Parado, Parasnam, Kisha Tombor, Bangladesh. There is an anxiety when our kith and kin are not in a good condition, or there is some incident happening against them in Bangladesh, sir.
Make a brief statement, please.
Sir. So, according to the news item, sir, on 25th of August 2021, it was alleged that people from the Forest Department of the Bangladesh government had destroyed the betel leaf plantation of Khasis living in that country under the Molvi Bazar district. Now, the villages, as reported, that were affected include Akar Khasi Punji, Dulul Chara Khasi Punji, Belwa Chara Khasi Punji. Now, there were also allegations of Khasis being physically assaulted. There is also an allegation that the forest officials have instigated the locals to harass the Khasi police. So, the betel nut and betel leaf plantation is one of the major commercial activities of our Khasi, Jaintia and Garo populace in Bangladesh. And if the plantations are being destroyed, their livelihoods will also be derailed. So, it is also reported, sir, that by the Bangladesh media that on September 2nd, 2021, more than 500 Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people took to the streets of Molvi Bazar district to vent out their grievances. A delegation has also met the Deputy Commissioner of the district to air the problems. So based on these reports, sir, I brought this 0-hour notice as we stand in solidarity with our Khasi, Jaintia and Garo friends and family who are living in Bangladesh, who got separated from us, sir, due to partition. But history has been unkind to take us apart from them. And even if we might be separated by letter, sir, the spirit of fraternity with our brothers and sisters of our community is still strong, sir. We are citizens of two different countries, but the feeling of oneness has not diminished till date, sir. So this issue is very delicate. It needs to be handled diplomatically, sir, through proper government channels. I understand that. But then we urge the state government, sir, to take proactive steps in conveying our concerns for our Khasi, Jaintia and Garo populace residing in Bangladesh to the government of India, sir. At the same time, sir, the relations of Bangladesh have been friendly, with Bangladesh have been friendly over all these years. But then, sir, I appeal to the Bangladesh government, sir, to this submission, to protect the rights of our Khasi, Jaintia and Garo friends who are minorities in their country, sir. And, sir, I would like to urge the state government, sir, if they can select a delegation of MLAs as and when, sir, when the time is feasible, to visit Bangladesh to show our solidarity with our communities there and to communicate with also the authorities, sir. So with this few concerns and submissions, I urge the state government, sir, to kindly prioritize this matter, as it will help in building a very strong bond and relations with our brothers and sisters, sir, residing in Bangladesh. With these submissions, sir, I resume my seat.
At the very outset, I'm thankful to Shri George B. Lingdo, Honorable MLA, Umroi constituency, for tabling the 0-hour notice under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business on the news item under the caption Don Kajingsnu Pisa Habaki Parado Parasnam Kisha Tombor Ha Bangladesh, appearing in the newspaper U Nongsang Hima, dated 5th of September 2021. Mr. Speaker, sir, as per media reports which have been published in the past few days, it appears that Khasi and Garo communities residing in Molvi Bazar, Kulaurappa Zilla, are under tremendous pressure of being evicted from their rightful land in the name of a forestation drive being conducted by the Social Forestry Department in Bangladesh. As per reports, it appears that on the 24th of August 2021, 28,000 betel trees belonging to the Khasi and Garo communities were destroyed, and on 27th of August 2021, 3 Khasi youths were attacked on their way home. Mr. Speaker, sir, on the 2nd of September 2021, a human chain protest was held in Press Club Chatar, Maulvi Bazar, with a demand to ensure the land rights of the Khasis, and on the same day, a memorandum was handed to the Deputy Commissioner, Maulvi Bazar District, requesting the Deputy Commissioner to resolve the matter at the earliest. On the 6th of September 2021, a reconciliation rally was held at the Minority Community Center in Karmadha Union, Kulaura, in which various officials attended the rally. Mr. Speaker, sir, on the issues relating to attacks on Khasis and Garo communities, including damage to their property, have been reported from time to time, and a memorandum was sent to the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh on the 6th of June 2021 by one social activist journalist requesting the Honorable Prime Minister to intervene in this matter. As rightly mentioned by the Honorable Member, this is a matter at the External Affairs Department, Government of India. But as a state government, we have also taken the initiative of forwarding that memorandum to Government of India, Ministry of External Affairs, for their information and necessary action, and time to time are following up on the subject matter which relates to the central government. So I hope, sir, the above information satisfies the Honorable Member.